Livermore. Pareha looking to inspire the rest of the nationals. Just like that, binayo tayo. Binayo tayo. Itong si Rax Sakyu. Jirayu, Rax Sakyu.
Napatigil ang ating mga tawa.
Rinig na rinig natin yan. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDTM Ultra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Parang rinig mo hanggang subik yung palo ni Jirayu.
And that 2-0 lead completely erased with that ace by Charunsyok of Thailand, number 17. And just like that, tied ball game.
Thailand on serve. Nagawan ng paraan pero yung service reception natin hindi gaanong kasado, and that resulted into a weak point of attack. Siya namang kinuha na ng puntos dito ng Thailand. Thailand at 3. Quickly stringing up 3 consecutive points. And si John Luke de Guzman na siyang naging hinete ng ating depensa sa unang set ay nabantayan ng gusto sa second set kung kaya siya ipinahinga muna ni Coach Oliver Almagro. But here in the third set, our chances are beleaguered right now, Coach Javi, at tatlong sunod na sets ang ating kailangan makuha para maibagsak itong mighty team ng Thailand. Espejo against 2. Yung block nila Jirayu ay hindi papasok.
All. Bakit naman hindi, Coach Roning? Hirap skumor eh.
Maski na dalawang sets ang kalaban na may kalamangan. Magandang umaga pa rin para sa ating mga manlalaro. Rejoicing every point, and why not? Kailan ba tayo huling kumampanya rito? Naku, tinampal lang itong si Quezada yung bola. Probably about 6'4", 6'5" itong si Quezada dahil ang laki, ang taas, at napaka-utak pumalo.
6'4", 6'5", Coach Ronnie, but the athletic ability. Grabe yung talon at grabe bumuelo sa ere. At nakita naman natin, baon na baon ang atake.
Baon na baon baka mo, and that serve was like a cannon, but Espejo will get a check ball. Oh!
And again, the reception department of Team Philippines. Every time we have a poor reception, Thailand capitalizing on it. 5-3. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Thailand.
Akala natin check ball yun para sa Team Pilipinas dun sa papalo ni Espejo. Instead, Thailand with 5 straight points. Nice push. Hindi po totoo na tayo ang may hawak na dalawang sets na kalamangan. Pero parang Coach Oliver Almagro.
Pero pag nakikita mo si Coach Oliver.
Oo. Nakita mo yung tulak ni Polvorosa ng bola. Oh.
Parang pampanalo kada point eh.
Oh, is that Polvorosa or Intel? Polvorosa, I believe. The service brought to you by Smart. Livermore. Combination play. Attack from the back line. Makabasag ng paraso yung mga palo nitong sila Jirayu, itong sila Kiriton.
Napatalon kay Quezada, Coach Ronnie, and open up that attack down the middle for Thailand.
Backline attack. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for happy family. Good dig. Joust at the net. Quezada racing the ball really high. Bihirang mangyari yan, dumadaus-dus yung palo rito ng Thailand. Philippines down by only 1.
That a better fight here in the third set so far for Team Philippines. Only 1 point separating these two teams.
I think the pressure is already deflated para dito sa Pilipinas, playing loosely.
Nothing to lose na, Coach Ronnie.
Correct. Espejo, once again with a bullet.
Check ball
ang matatawag laban sa Pilipinas. Saranchit. 7-5. Quezada is there. Quezada still pumping points para dito sa kupunan ng Thailand. At tignan natin kung itong puntos na ito ay magpapangiting Pinoy, ngiting happy para sa Pilipinas. That's an ace.
Klaro.
Talagang mamamangha ka sa efficiency at accuracy at consistency ng husay ng Thailand. First technical timeout lamang ang Thailand kontra sa Pilipinas, 8-5.
I know you're watching over us. Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
This is the answer to my prayers.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because she wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with CamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart. Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
This program is brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the first technical timeout.
Quesada, Girayu, Kitifo. So many weapons para dito sa yellow shirts ng Thailand. This service brought to you by Smart. Live more. At medyo tumadose-dos na rito ang Thailand. Probably relaxing too much and that is to our liking. Oo, gusto natin yan.
At nasasabi natin si Girayu, si Quesada, Coach Ron, but we have to give credit to Yosapol.
Yung setter nila.
Yes. The complete balance of attack.
JP De Guzman natin na fight. Ginagawa ng paraan. At yung scramble natin sa ating floor defense ay hindi nagbunga. John Vic De Guzman nangiti. Mga players ng Thailand nakangiti. Coach Oliver Almadro hindi ngumingiti pero masaya. Basta pumupuntos ang Team Pilipinas. 9-6, third set. Oops.
Oh!
Wala tayo sa rest. No? Makikita mo, pag ganun ang rotation, patay ka sa transition. Oo, 10-6 para sa Thailand.
Nagbungguan na tayo, Coach Ronnie.
Nakita mo eh. At pagbasag ang ating net defense, babalabag ang ating floor defense.
Pag tayo nga kita, Coach Ronnie, paano pa kaya ang mga players from Thailand?
Sabi ni Coach Oliver Almadro, bang, 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 dumipensa tayo. Tignan natin kung maririnig natin ang mga paalala dito ni Coach Oliver Almadro.
Naintindihan. Now, we have to keep on talking. Kagaya ng kanina. Matinis ang bola. Hindi ko pwedeng nakatingin tayo sa ito. Mag-intimidate.
Thailand 10, Philippines 6. Make that Thailand 7, Philippines 7. At maski manaka-naka ang ating mga puntos, ang positive doon ay after the timeout ni Coach Oliver, sabi, nag-respond ang maayos.
Communication ang in-emphasize ni Coach Oliver that timeout. Mag-usap tayo, hindi tayo pa nagbubungguan sa loob.
Torres, good serve. Oops, kinawit ni Espejo. Tatawid, tinulak ng Pilipinas. Binubuhay ni John Vic De Guzman pero pupuntos na rito ang Thailand. 11-7, third set. Thailand in cruise control laban sa hamon ng Team Philippines.
And Thailand knowing when and where to attack. As we see that defensive gem by number 9. As Thailand right now just cruising along, Coach Ronnie, that's what you're saying. The defending champion completely dominating Team Philippines.
And again, a miss-hit coming from that miscommunication. And when you're up against a two-time defending champion, you have to play almost a perfect game. Katulad nga ng binanggit mo.
Oops.
Pang ilang beses na natin nakita yan para kay Intal, pero hindi napunta sa sweet spot. Itong si Rex Intal. This serve is brought to you by Smart. Live more. Montero scrambling. Pag hindi maayos ang ating service reception, parang nagamit puntos na agad.
And they will pounce on that. We're talking about Thailand. Poor service reception resulting to another defensive gem by the yellow shirts of si Quesada. Mapa-depensa, mapa-opensa. Galing.
Desidido yung palo ni John Vic de Guzman, pero instead of going away from the blockers, diniretso niya. Payong na payong yung palo rito ni de Guzman. At ganun kasimple. 6 na ang abante rito ng Thailand. Bumalik si Espejo para sana sa pang-8 puntos ng Pilipinas. Chance ball ngayon para sa Thailand. Pareha. Attacking. Nakita mo yung scramble play na yan para sa Team Pilipinas. Mabuti na isalba natin. Pareha has played well for Team Philippines. He has controlled his emotions. He's tempered this game and he has produced some points for Team Philippines. Kaya tayo may ngiting Pinoy at ngiting happy. 8 serving 13. This time, it's not a misdirection.
Dinerecho na.
Oo, Quesada, na never mabibigyan ng bola. Napakahirap talagang markahan at bantayan. Kitikun, Jirayu, Quesada, ang daming bala ng Thailand. 14-8.
Grabe athleticism ng batang to.
And this is not just a powerhouse team from this region, Coach Sabi. This team competes not only in the Asian level, pero sa international competition, makikita mo, kaya nilang sumabay.
Nakikita natin ngayon yung disparity that we want to lessen. And to lessen, yung gap, Coach Ronnie. As
this service brought to you by Smart. Live more. At pag tayo'y nakakasama at nakakasali sa ganitong klase ng torneo, sa mga international events, ganitong klase ng competition, hindi tayo magtataka na soon tayo rin ay nasa tamang tahak ng daan. 16-8, second technical timeout, third set.
I know you're watching over us. Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
This is the answer to my prayers.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because you wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with CamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Life's too short to miss out on the possibilities. Go for the bigger waves. Reach new destinations. Conquer greater heights. Are you up for it? When life calls, it's game on. Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Ngayong PBA Super Bowl Sunday, sa first game, Kia Carnival versus Global Port Batangtier, 3 p.m. At sa second game, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel versus Meralco Bulls, 5:15 p.m. The 2015 PLDT Hope Devolution PBA Governors Cup, Sunday, live on TV5, simulcast sa Radyo 5 92.3 News FM.
Guys, may 300 MB tayo!
Stock up on data with Smart 3 Bytes. May apps and sites up to 300 MB. 50 pesos lang for 3 days. May free YouTube pa and more!